Going to question 4 here of practice set 3.4. What does it state? In triangle FAN, angle F equal to 80 degree, angle A equal to 40 degree. We have to find out the greatest and the smallest side of the triangle. And then we have to state the reason. Now two angles are already given to us. We have to find the third angle, that is angle N. So now look here, we first try to find this angle N. So in triangle FAN, we have angle F plus angle A plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. Now how is that possible? Because the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. But the measures of angle F and angle A are given. Angle F is 80 degree and angle A is 40 degree. So I write that. What is not given is angle N. So we write here, this is angle N. Remaining is equal to 180 degrees is written as it is. 80 degree plus 40 degree is 120 degree. So 120 degree plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle N is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Therefore, angle N is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree is 60 degree. Now what do? We look at the measures of the three angles. One is 80 degree, one is 40 degree and one is 60 degree. Therefore, I can write here 80 degree is greater than 60 degree is greater than 40 degree. Now, what is 80 degree? Angle F. Therefore, under 80 degree, I write angle F. What is 60 degree? It is angle N. Therefore, I write here angle N. So, what will be 40 degree? It will be angle A. So, what do we have now? Angle F greater than angle N greater than angle A. So, now what have we to see? We have to see the side opposite to angle F. So, the side opposite to angle F will be greater than the side opposite to angle N, which will be greater than the side opposite to angle A. Now, how to find the side opposite to angle F? The triangle is FAN. So, opposite to angle F will be NA. So, we write here NA. Okay. So, NA greater than, now here angle N. What is the side opposite to angle N? It will be FA, the remaining two alphabets. So, greater than FA. Then, what is the side opposite to angle A? The remaining two alphabets, that is FN. So, we write FN. Now, how did we get this? That the side opposite to the angle is greater than the other side? By this theorem. What is that theorem stating? If two angles of a triangle are unequal, then the side opposite to the greater angle is greater than the side opposite to the smaller angle. Now, what is asked in this question? Find out the greatest and the smallest side of the triangle. Therefore, the greatest side of the triangle is equal to, look here, which is the greater side? NA is greatest. So you can write side NA. Also they have asked the smallest side. So we write smallest side of the triangle is equal to, this is greater side. So this will be the smallest side, that is side F